can help your mind realize that you are capable of more. For some of you, listen, it could be that bad. Now, some of you watching online from other countries, you may not be able to appreciate the fact that in places like Nigeria, for some of us, our growing up days were really difficult. Okay? Some of you, you have not had ice cream this year. Ice cream. After the service, go and take ice cream. Amen. Now you're saying, why? For your mind. So that next time a guy comes to you and says, I will buy you ice cream. You just look like, from where to where? My color looks like I lack ice cream.